I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be oil. Oh, that's why we're doing this. Antifreeze is already in there. Hey there YouTube, welcome back to the channel. It's Farmer Clay. This here we're doing part 4, I believe, of the Oliver fix them up or repair them. We're going to, I didn't get to it last time, but we're focusing on this. I got to drain the oil out of the rear end here, so we'll have to pull the drawbar off the back. Now it's not a standard drawbar, Oliver drawbar, it's one that we had around here. I don't remember what it came off of, but we put it on because it has the drop hitch. And it was a little bit longer where I did that PTO extension on it, so we needed more length on out. So we're gonna drop that on out of there, and then as you can see, and it's actually extra long because it goes up past the bolt here. So we gotta pull that bolt and we'll slide that out, and we'll get to the drain fitting that's right up underneath there, and we'll drop the oil out of the back end and see how bad it is, how much water and moisture we have in it. It's been a lot of years. I don't know. I don't remember the last time we dropped it out, or if I ever have. I don't know. Just don't have the answers for it. So, but it's getting fresh oil now, so that's all that matters, I guess. We're gonna go ahead and take care of that now. So stay tuned and we'll get back with you here in a second. We got a broken weld there we're going to have to address on each side. I'm trying to remember if I welded up that hole or not on this drawbar. We might end up putting some bigger meat in here.
Yep.
Slice those all out, just cut those out, and then put in some bigger, thicker steel.
Yeah.
To kind of help support it all. Yes, sis.
Are you guys keep working on this back part?
Yeah, we're gonna drain some oil out of it here in a sec.
I was wondering if I can move this white paper over. This white cover.
No, because it has the top open there. Can you see what you're doing?
Yeah, kinda. Yeah.
Oh, I can't see what I'm doing.
I can.
You can. Am I putting a... I gotta grab my creeper and get under there. Might fit through? No. if I remember right, we had an issue with this before. And there's a very specific extension that we used. You'll have to forgive me, viewers. I got a cold I'm dealing with. This guy right here.
That guy.
We ground down the taper on it because that drawbar we had to extend was reaching up and slapping that plug in it, ruined the shoulders.
Oh.
Yeah, see, that goes right up in there beautifully. There we go. All right. I'm gonna need that drain tube over here.
Do you need me to go get it?
Yep, will you grab it for me? We're gonna have to turn it up. All right, now don't get oil on that thing.
Will it splatter everywhere?
It might.
Could there be none?
Oh no, there's in there, but I'm seeing a little
I do. That looks
water in there too.
Ugh.
Oh yeah, that's gross. Got a little water there, but
That kind of looks like chocolate milk.
you want to drink it?
No, I don't like chocolate milk that much.
Oh. That's why we're doing this.
Is that oil and water?
Yeah, so the creamy part is what makes it oil and water, and then here's just kind of everything else coming on in.
Could there be some rust?
Well, yeah, I'm sure there's some sort of rust and metallic and metal and all that in there. It's gear lube, so it's super thick. All right, so we got that draining on out. I'm probably going to flush that rear end with some diesel.
Is diesel a cleaning agent?
What's that?
Is diesel a cleaning agent?
Well, it will clean and just, you have to run a couple cycles of it. So what people have done is they fill the rear end with diesel.
Yep.
And then once it's full of diesel, they'd run it down like the lane and then come back, drain that out, fill it up with diesel again, run it down the lane, come back, drain that out, do that twice, and then they would then put the gear lube in it, the regular oil in there.
But we're not going to run it down the lane.
Well, it's not going to run anywhere right now. It's in two pieces.
Could you put your fork so it picks it up and just has the wheels move?
Sis, what are you doing, babe?
Who knows?
You're just really bored? Oh, okay. She's really bored. Just really bored. So we got that draining on out for now. I drained the front pulley. There's a drain plug right up here. We got that drained out and just water dribbled out of that. So the next goal is to remove this cover, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7 bolts holding that in.
Do you need this right here?
I could take it off, but I do believe they offer a cover that deletes this. But I would like to get this back together and use it because I think it'd be kind of fun to have the pulley on the side and go down to the threshing bee in Huntley.
The what?
The threshing bee. They run belt pulleys like threshing machines, you know,
Oh.
the big grain binders and stuff.
Where is it?
It's down at the experiment station in Huntley.
No, where's the big pulley that?
Oh, the pulley? It's over there on the floor.
Oh, now I see it. Why did you guys take it off?
I don't know why Papa took it off. He just did.
Is this one bigger than the 60?
Yes. This one is bigger than the 60s. That's the 77s.
And that's the 60s?
I believe this is the 60s, yes.
It looks like it's a 540 PTO.
Yeah, but that's a tapered shaft. That's a taper hole.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Same with...
So, but you can see the difference right there.
Yeah. Have you ever seen it in use?
No. It's never been on the tractor since I've been alive.
Oh, it hasn't?
Nope.
So it's been sitting in the shop for many, many
All right, I'm going to take this. This is my rear assembly here for the... I got to get some numbers off these two bearings. This bearing here is really nice. This one here is got some drag in it, so... But we're just going to replace them both for the PTO. And then we'll bring the PTO rear bottom housing over here and see what we got for bearings inside that to replace.
Okay. Gonna give it a clean.
All the way lower.
What's that, sis?
Can you get this all the way lower?
What all the way lower?
This. To touch this.
You gotta keep... It's not turned in all the way, Hayden.
Just kind of cycling some things through. There's the bottom of the air bowl. Just had that soaking in there. And then this is for the steering. We're going to create that new bushing that presses into that. And then we'll ream it out for the steering shaft to go through. Turn this in. Turn that. Other way. Other way. There you go. Till it stops. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Now pump. So this piece here we'll reuse, but we'll order a new seal to go around. And like I said, that's a K1590 seal.
Okay.
And then we got this bearing number already. So those are two off of that. And then we need the housing here. I believe there's probably a snap ring in this here somewhere.
Under all that.
Under all this fun. Oh, it's satisfying, ain't it?
I want to do it.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Scrape, 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 scrape.
Is this all? Did you paint all this?
No,
Not this.
this stuff here was hidden behind. See, there's the paper gasket up here.
Why do they make it out of paper?
Oh, this gasket material is good out of paper. You could do paper or cork. Plastic doesn't seal so well.
Oh, it doesn't?
No. Do you think we can reuse it?
Probably not. Have you ever taken this apart back here before?
Nope, first time. I don't know what that was, but that was stuck in there.
I think is there more paper right there? Or is it?
Yeah, well, I think it's off already. We want all the surfaces nice and smooth. Yeah, Hayden. Oh, don't turn that one too much, because you can screw that one out and then oil comes out.
Has she already done that before?
I don't know who did it. Somebody did it.
I think it was her.
Might have been you.
No, I didn't do it.
How do you know?
Because I can remember I didn't do it.
Yeah.
I wish you could take tractors apart in Farming Simulator.
You do?
Yeah.
Make repairs more in depth.
Yeah.
Your clutch has gone out.
And then you can split your own tractor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think a lot of people would like to do that?
Have it as a mod.
As a mod?
Yeah. So if they don't want it, they don't have to get it.
Yeah.
How long can this go?
All the way up.
Is that all?
To the roof?
No, it won't be the roof.
What did you need it for?
What did I need what for?
The cherry picker, whatever.
I was going to use it to pull the engine out, but I changed my mind on how I was going to do that.
Did it stop, Hayden? How are you going to pull the engine out?
Oh, just to help clean it all, son. Snap ring here. I'm gonna get my trusty assistant with it.
Am I your trusty assistant?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. I don't know what kind of seal goes around that.
Does this spin 540 times in a minute?
Yep, that's what RPM stands for, revolutions per minute.
Is there anything higher than 1,000 PM? 1,000 RPM?
Not in standard tractors, I don't believe. There might be some fancy thing out there, but not in standard tractor applications.
I'd ask what the big butt is, but they don't have PTOs.
Oh, that's not true. Welker's Farm has a PTO.
Well, one big butt has a PTO.
Hey, that's all that matters is one big bud has a PTO.
A custom-made PTO.
Hey, custom is where it's at.
A lot of the big buds custom.
Yeah.
I can barely
I was making. Oh.
What are you doing, Daddy? Nothing. Where are my snap? There they are.
That's where you left
What did you leave these over there for?
Because those were over there, Dad.
Oh, okay.
Don't blame me when you left them over there.
Hey. We're not blaming Note, we'll blame your mom.
But she's not even here.
Hey, then it's all the easier to blame her because then she can't refute it.
Sure.
Can you try to touch this?
I'm helping Dad. I think I am.
Oh,
She's stuck.
don't want a spinny.
Oh, it doesn't want to spin.
Well, let's go ahead and pull those bottom bolts off there and
See what's wrong?
yeah. See what we're up again.
What comes out that hole? Is
Out
there
what hole?
out of that big hole?
Oh, that piece that we just put over there. That
Oh.
sits right there.
Oh yeah.
Something's happening here. Now, I think I resealed this at one point
1 point.
in its life. Why do I got a 14 millimeter on?
Because you do. How come we are different than all the rest of the world?
Why are we different than the rest of the world?
Yeah, for
Well,
measurements.
For measurements?
Yeah.
Well, because somewhere down the line, they decided that we were going to make stuff silly. So that way, if anybody ever comes to invade our country, they get confused on how far it is to places.
Wow.
So they'll be like, oh, it's only 60 kilometers over here, but it's 60 miles. And they all run out of fuel and they can't invade us.
Come on.
Cool.
Get from out on your
Honestly, I don't know why we're different, but all I'm saying is that we've put men on the moon and the metrics haven't.
Oh, is the U.S. the only one who has?
I believe we're the only ones that have. YouTube will correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure.
Oh, they will?
Yeah, people jump on there and be like, nuh-uh.
No, I thought you were like the people who run YouTube would.
Oh, no, they won't. Where's my 9/16 socket?
9/16?
Oh, never mind, I found it. Right where you left it.
Right where you left.
It's where you left it.
I don't touch them that often.
I swear, son. You keep losing my stuff everywhere.
I only take apart my stuff.
You don't?
Or neighbors.
You don't lose anybody's stuff?
Separate.
Yeah, a little bit of water in there. We'll go let this soak in the tank too.
What's that tank even made out of? Or water? Or liquid?
This over here,
Yeah.
it's a cleaning solution.
The gas? Is that the gasket?
Yeah, this is the blue gasket stuff. Let's throw this in the garbage.
Yeah, that didn't hold.
It held a long time, see?
I thought you resealed it.
Hey, whose side are you on?
I don't know.
Oh.
Both of ours.
I'd say mom, but she's not here.
You can be on mom's side, that's okay.
Or YouTube's.
You're on YouTube side? You're taking the side of YouTube?
I'm on Dad's side.
Ah, there you go. That's
I'm on-
what loyalty looks
I'm on
like in a
Duke.
small package.
I'm on Duke's side.
On Duke's side?
Yeah.
Which Duke?
The Duke the cat.
Duke the cat? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, the cat that we have.
The cat that we have?
That's Duke.
The cat in the hat? What
Yeah.
kind of hat would Duke wear?
A one that would say Duke.
One that would say Duke? There you go. Now it's moving.
I should say Duke in the hat. Because it'll have his name on. Would that be funny?
Sure.
Duke in the hat.
You know, I probably should get my book out and read how to do this.
You should. Are you though?
Maybe.
Maybe.
He will. He will.
I will.
Yeah. Someday.
Someday I'll learn how to read. What do you think, kids?
Rainbow. thing.
Oh, sing the rainbow thing?
Yeah.
Do I know a rainbow thing?
Like the one that you always sing when I say stop.
Oh, when you say stop, you're like, stop singing, Daddy, it's terrible.
No, it's not terrible, but I just like
Somewhere over the rainbow, my daughter don't like my singing.
you have to say that your daughter loves me.
My daughter loves me?
Yeah.
Oh,
Sing it.
I don't know how to sing that.
My daughter. I really want to sing it in front of them.
You don't want to sing in front of the cow, hey, that fit.
Want me to go get that?
Yeah, please. Hold up.
I don't think it worked, Dad.
Well, if that shaft can go in,
This
And
is
it can
what's
go-
wrong with it.
That was just sitting over here.
My globby. Return that to me.
he did.
Yeah.
Huh.
Silly Ray.
Doesn't he know tricks are for kids? I'm not quite sure.
If it can come out.
No, it has to come out.
Yeah. Look at my gloves.
Yep.
I know that's a dirty one with grease on it.
It is.
Dad, you need to get bigger gloves for these.
I do.
And small of these gloves.
That should go right through.
You know why I don't want to sing anything in front of people?
Why is that, sis?
Scare me.
Who scares you?
My friends, if I sing
Okay,
in
so it
front
has
of
to
them.
come out this way. Your friends scare you?
Yeah, if I sing in front of them.
Oh, yeah?
They do?
How do they scare you?
Well, they look at me, and that's how they scare me.
Oh.
I can make the people not look at you.
How?
I just turn the camera away from you.
She's going in. I gotta get a little smaller one. so we're through the bearing. All right, so we're gonna get those bearing numbers. There's a snap ring on the back, so it shouldn't fall out. But now this should slide out this way, like that. Now that shaft should come all the way back through.
Why did they make it so confusing?
That's actually pretty simple if you know what you're doing.
And I'm not.
And you don't know what you're doing?
Nope.
I don't know what I'm doing, but I look good doing it.
Yeah.
That's right, I do. Yeah, buddy. Somebody wants fed dinner tonight, so he's being nice to Dad.
But I make dinner some nights.
Some nights.
Some nights.
What are you making tonight?
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 I don't know. Oh, those bearings are locked up there.
Is that good or bad?
That is bad. We got a seal there. We got a needle bearing in there. Yeah, they're blocking your light getting in there if they can't see. There we go.
If they could.
So the needle bearings inside there are shot. And there's a seal there.
Are needle bearings where the rollers are longer?
What's that?
Are needle bearings where the
Yes.
rollers are longer?
They look like a little needle stack there. Boy, that would have been short for this world if we would have fired her on up.
What could happen?
Oh, they would have seized up on it.
And would the PTO stop spinning?
Yes. Well, the PTO would probably keep spinning, but it'd probably do some damage somewhere else.
Don't you have to make it so it comes out from right here?
I gotta drive it out the back to through the front. That's too big. Because there's a lip there. Lip.
Hey. I have grease on my here on my gloves.
That says K1582 National Seal.
National?
Yep.
That must be one royal seal.
Royal Seal, huh?
Yeah,
Why is it royal?
because it's national.
I'm not following your logic there.
Yeah.
Greasy stuff all over my gloves.
What do you got all over your gloves?
Grease.
You got grease all over your gloves?
This is how I get my gloves off. That.
Where's that? Oh, yeah, over here. Oh, that was too small of a punch.
Oops.
That's okay.
Bottom.
Yeah.
Why is baseball bat in here.
Why is there a metal baseball bat in here?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know, for smacking mice.
Have you done that before?
Oh yeah, I chase them down all the time. It's real Western in here.
What do you do with the baseball bat?
What do I do with the baseball bat?
Yes.
Nothing.
Where did you get it?
I don't know, it was around the farm. Feels like we shifted down some.
Does it?
Yeah, sure does.
A lot or just some?
Just some. All right, watch out. Step back.
Because you just want to keep getting more grease.
An extra set of hands. So that actually can go either direction.
Something of.
Well, no, it can't. The seal has to come in from the front, so.
Don't be messing with that, Hayden.
All right, so that seal is a K1582. If you get too close, sometimes it won't focus. Can you see it clearly?
You can kinda.
Okay. And then we got a roller bearing here. We see that thing is just dry and
Lived its life.
yep. And that is a 2216X. Patented United States Torrington Bearing.
First,
BH2216X. Right there. Yeah, this bearing's in pretty bad shape.
it's the original.
Probably.
I made a little
So.
bed.
I know, I saw it, Hayden.
All right, so those are all the bearings we need for this thing. I'm going to take this down and set it aside for now.
Guess what? One do survey there.
Yeah.
Huh?
Cool.
You should leave the camera here so that you
15.
can come see where I put it.
Is the gear in good shape?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, the gear's in good shape.
No grinding.
Nope. Because it's constant mesh. So that means they're always, the teeth are always hooked together on them. And then we got to get the number off of this one
And that one.
and this one. Trying to keep stuff together. This is a new departure, 43206. 43206. 43206.
One was on the side, the bed that I made.
Okay.
What was?
A chick.
What chicks? You got girls out here I don't know about?
No, the chickens.
Oh, the chickens.
Yeah, the chickens.
We already know this one. This is 205K.
You said.
Okay.
Guess what?
Is that all the bearings?
Side of the bed that I made.
I had a seal, a needle bearing, and I got, so those two are on the bottom shaft, top shaft, okay. All that stuff will get good thorough cleaning. Gonna clean this up real quick.
Are you gonna clean it, or are you taking them to somebody to get them cleaned?
Oh, I'll clean it all up.
Oh, you will?
Yep. I'll clean up inside that housing, get it all scrubbed and cleaned up real good. I'll take it over to the pressure washer first to knock all the big stuff off.
Yep.
It's like 50 degrees.
It's like 50 degrees. That's like a heat wave. How are we gonna act at 50 degrees?
See how warm?
All right, I'm gonna go swap my gloves over.
To work in this?
Yeah, so I can work in that, and then you'll have to sit back so you don't get splashed.
This looks fun.
It's kind of not.
Oh.
Right here.
Yeah.
Does this lever right here, does this activate it to start spinning?
Yes.
All the way up to here, it will be so warm.
Up to where?
Right here.
I don't know. What does that say right there?
120.
120?
Yeah.
That's at 120, sis. You're gonna find me somewhere north of Canada, because I'm not gonna hang around here.
Is there something that comes off this to make it so you don't have to go down all the
Yeah,
way?
there's a lever that goes up through the dash. It's hanging off next to the steering wheel up there. Rah. Rah.
They're small for you?
No. Did a good job cleaning that off. This is just solvent that I got from TSC.
Does it do a good job?
Yeah. It stinks.
Where did you get the tray?
With the blue thing?
Yeah.
I got it from a coworker when I worked for the Freightliner dealer.
Is it meant for this?
Yep. It's a parts washer. It's meant to wash parts.
Did it come with liquid or?
No. No, it came with about 4 inches of dirt in it.
Oh.
Is that pure water?
No, this is a chemical solvent.
Oh.
Where does all like the dirt and grime go to?
To the bottom of the tank.
And then how?
And then so I put a drain on this so I can drain it back into the 5-gallon cans.
Yeah.
Yeah, listen, you can hear that bearing click.
I can smell it.
Don't
Really
drop
bad.
it.
Yeah, I can really smell it. This time.
You can really smell it.
Yeah.
I can't.
It stinks.
How would you drain it before you put the drain in it?
There was a plug in there that you'd pull and hope you could get a tray into it, or you'd bucket it out.
So you made it more better.
Yes.
I'm on.
In typical farmer fashion, we took something and made it better. The thing is spun around a time or two.
Done.
That was pretty good. Yes, sis.
Where's your weapons if you have a lot of grease in the tub?
A lot of grease in the tub.
Then you have a lot of grease in the tub.
That's how are you gonna move it if it's so heavy?
Oh, I make your mom help me.
What happens if she's not here?
I strategically invite somebody over to fix something for them and make them help me.
Oh yeah, I don't have to move it.
It depends on how much is in there. We gotta drain
oil bucket?
Yeah, because it's pretty full.
This.
Yeah, it's getting up there. Gotta call our local pickup people to come get it.
Oh, is there coolant in it?
No.
You don't want to burn it?
No.
Yeah, because he needs that tub.
GoPro, stop recording. So we got that all cleaned up. This is the one that we're going to press that brass bushing into. And then I got a reamer so we can ream it out for 7/8 for the shaft. So that way it's nice and pretty. And then we'll pull that Zerk out and punch a hole in so it has a grease fitting in there. And
Dad, I know you're loving me right now.
you know that I love you right now?
Yeah.
Oh, man, how do kids learn this stuff? Am I loving you?
I don't know.
Of course I love you, you turd.
Dad, he smiles because he loves us.
That's right.
Both of us, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's how he loves us. He loves us in his head. And even he loves us if he is not on. If he's not smiling, he still loves us. That is right, Dad? And he's loving us right now.
I love you right now?
Yes.
You sure are confident.
Do you have to change different types of oil filters if you have diesel or gas?
Oil or diesel oil filters typically run a larger capacity than a gas.
Oh.
Because diesel engines typically will soot up your oil faster. It'll make it go black quicker.
Oh.
So they typically run extra filtration for that reason, extra capacity.
Yeah. But is there like a different in filters?
Filtration, there could be different micron levels, I'm assuming, which is just how tight the screen is inside.
But could you put like a, if you really needed to, could you put like a fuel filter on another tractor instead of the same type of tractor?
If they fit, yeah.
Could the gas one fit on the diesel engine?
Like which filter are you talking about? Like this one?
No, oil,
Oh, the oil filter?
yes.
I believe for this Oliver that the gas filter, oil filter, and the diesel oil filter are the same. However, the diesel runs two of them where the gas runs a single.
Yeah.
Once again, it just increasing your capacity.
Is it pause?
Alright, so we finished up over there. The GoPro turned itself off because it got too hot. So we're going to, we got this out, pull the snap rings off and figure out what bearings we need here, and then we'll probably gotta go feed these things.
Yeah.
Man. They just eat so much.
You do too.
I do too.
Some days.
Says who?
Says the food.
Says the food. There we go. That side is stuck. Now just be careful, this can go flying. Dripping that good red juice everywhere.
Is that good?
That is solvent and rust. is what that is.
What's solvent? Oh, that. Oh yeah, that liquid.
Should get my bearing jaws and see if I can't get that worked out of there. That's free.
Are they like your gear jaws? Or your gear pullers?
Yep.
Oh yeah, those. We were doing those on the John Deere when you had to take it apart.
I did it on a John Deere.
Yeah.
Who's John Deere?
Doug's.
Oh. Did you hear that, Doug? We did it on your John Deere.
Does he watch?
I don't know if he watches. I don't know if he could sit still long enough to watch one of my videos.
Yeah.
My videos from here. To all you viewers out there, I hope you like looking at my belly button.
Please don't do that.
Don't show my belly button?
No.
Oh, I don't think they want to see my belly button anyways.
One time I did that to Aaron like you. Mom did not like it.
Mom didn't like it when you showed your belly button?
Yeah, even you.
Now they can't see your belly button.
Oh.
You like how clean this area is?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job, sis. You're hired.
Am I hired?
Huh?
Am I hired?
Yeah, we're still negotiating your wages.
What's my wage?
Well, that's what we're negotiating.
What's your? Oh,
What's my wages?
yeah.
$1 million. Think your mom would pay me that?
$1 million?
Yeah.
If she had the paycheck, she would.
Oh. She would pay me $1 million.
What does that mean?
Huh?
What does that symbol like?
Oh, it's from a movie, Austin Powers.
Can I watch that movie?
How old are you?
11.
No. Rats, he says.
Does it have bad words in it?
No.
I forget my age. I keep thinking I'm 12.
Is it moving? Looks like it moved.
Yeah, it did.
It moves.
It moves. It's alive.
Rats, just not the right size.
You should go get some rats and see if it will work.
Get some rats to see if they'll work.
Yeah.
What kind of rats?
Fancy rats.
Fancy rats?
Yeah. You can have
Who sells fancy rats in Shepherd?
I don't know.
Maybe Tennille sells fancy rats.
Probably.
Bloop, bloop.
I don't think that likes you.
I'm just trying to take her slow.
I just don't want it falling and hit my toes.
And hitting your toes?
Yeah.
No toes, he says. No toes.
My toes,
Whoop.
my toes are very valuable.
Yeah, see all this red? That's rust.
Yeah.
She's a wee bit rusty. All right, so come over here, sis. I got my little helper. Focus on that right here.
Look at that.
Can you see that in the screen?
Yeah.
So we got all of it apart. There's a seal here. It's a national seal. That's a K1588. Then we got a Fafner bearing here. That's a 208 KDG, as in Kilo Delta Golf. Then we got the gear. It's in good shape. And then we have this bearing here. And this is a Fafner 8107 Papa. And so that's how that stack right there goes. And that all sits on top of this hub right there. So that's it for all of our bearings and seals in this one. It got a little later than I was hoping, so we're gonna call that a wrap. Up here, up here. Thank you for following along on this. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. You can wave and say hello to my two helpers. What do you tell them? Thanks for watching. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
So here, little baby kids. So they're super cute. We huddle.
You guys speak louder, Hayden.
We huddled up.
Are you looking at the screen right there?
So they huddle up really good, and
We have Jersey Giants.
Jersey Giant,
What's the Jersey Giants name?
Nugget Junior,
Then we have Brahmas,
Brahmas,
Australorps.
Australorp,
Then I don't know what we have.
with the red.
I don't know what the rest we have. And
What about that red striped one?
I don't know what they are. And we have 10 of them.
And we have one more that Rafe, my brother, doesn't know, or I don't know.
We have 10, Hayden.
So we have 10.
10 in total. Come on. Are you just gonna have to watch you the whole time?
Sorry.
Do you want me to take a video of you? She's talking to the camera.
You should see the video that I made.